The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Reichsrat. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. Pro-Kenny liberal paramilitaries has laid siege into Phoenix to try to take down the government. They are hostile and are not to be approached as they have been spotted killing random civilians. Residents in the Phoenix metropolitan area are to seek shelter immediately. If you see a paramilitary trooper, do not approach the person and call 911 immediately. If you are in the capital district, you must evacuate. Military forces are enforcing the city to restore law and order. If a paramilitary trooper breaks into your home, use whatever means necessary to protect your life and property. If you are one of the terrorists, surrender immediately and come out in the open. Hiding and resisting will be futile. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.